Hello everyone, Michael here. I wanted to quickly go on and show you this chair that I recently purchased. There's many chairs that look very similar like this chair. They're usually like task chairs where they still got that arched back, as you can see here. It's got a little bit of an arch to it, and they have this cushion, but the difference is, and what really stood out to me in this chair compared to the other ones, is this. Like, this is really neat. Basically, you just push it up, and these handles go away. So if you ever like want more space, or maybe if you're a bigger person, you want that extra space, you can always put these handles up, and super easy to put, and they won't fall on their own. Like you see, they're pretty stiff, so you have to push them in a little bit. It's very, very soft as well when you sit, and it's got this like arched back. Super easy. It's just you can push this in and out if you want to lock it, and then you can also push it for it to go up and down. So this is like the big thing that kind of really stood out to me, and as you can see, it has this little like support thing here, as you can see, to keep your back arched, which is really nice. And this is exactly why this chair, out of all the other task chairs, stood out to me. So yes, I really do recommend you getting this chair.
Alright, well, let's take a look at this ergonomic office desk chair. Overall, I think it's a pretty sturdy desk chair. It has a good base, doesn't make any squeaky noises. I've been using it for 3 weeks now. Yeah, it has a good presence in the office. We have some lumbar support back here, and we can explore more features. So the first thing I see is that the back is a good lower back for your butt area, and it has adjustable lumbar support. You just pull those two spines up, and it can go pretty high and give you a wide range of lumbar support. Now, another favorite feature of mine are the armrests that go up and down. They have really nice cushioning on them, and this way you can tuck your chair in, or me when I'm turned at one of my monitors, I can pick one of the arms up and be at an angle without bumping into the desk. It doesn't really compromise stability, and support, but gives you comfort at the same time. Now let's look at the seat, which is probably the most important part. As you can see, when I press down with my fingers, it doesn't squish down too much, and that's pretty good because your body weight is a lot more than that, and it squishes to a good extent. I've been sitting on this chair for 8 hours, maybe 9 hours a day, and my legs or back don't really hurt. We can also look at the curved nature of the back and see that there's a good lumbar support. It makes you kind of sit straight up. And overall, I think the chair is a great buy.